Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you a super quick tip on how to make your makeup look a lot brighter, make yourself look more awake, and just overall kind of freshen up your makeup look. So if you want to see my favorite trick at the moment, then please keep watching. So what I'm going to do is take this Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Duo, and this is in the light shade, so the shades inside are Lucid and Sombre, and I actually use Sombre as a little bit of contour today, but we're going to focus on this light shade, which is the shade Lucid. And then I'm taking this Real Techniques domed shadow brush. It's just like a pretty dense, medium size, I would say, eye brush, or I guess it's kind of a larger eye brush, but I'm going to take this light shade and pack it onto this dense brush and just go in my inner corner, and I'm gonna go all the way up to the eyebrow, all the way in here, and then also under the eye, and just really pack this on to kind of brighten up this whole area. So if you're like me and you do your eye makeup before your face makeup, it's really tricky to kind of get this dark inner corner to be nice and light. If you do your base makeup first, it's a little easier. You can really like stick your concealer into this crevice. But even if you do your foundation first and you find that you are pretty light in this dark inner corner, I find that just using this brightening kind of shaping powder underneath still really brightens it up. So hopefully you can tell this side is just a lot brighter than this side. It looks a little dark in there, and this one, it has just really like lightened up and looks nice and bright and more awake. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side just to lighten this one, and I think this really just overall brightens up the whole look. And sorry if there's any background noise, the garbage truck just pulled up outside. It's nice and early in the morning. I'm getting ready for work, but I wanted to show you guys this trick really quick. So oopsies, the garbage truck is pretty loud. Hopefully you can't hear it. Now that I feel that my inner corner is pretty bright, I'm still going to go on top with my regular inner corner highlight, and today I'm using my Lawless The One Palette, and I'm just going to take this shade right here, which is called Casual, on a little shader brush, and just brighten that inner corner as usual. Normally I would just do this without that powder, but I've been using the Kat Von D powder every day because I find that it really makes a big difference in how awake and bright my whole face looks. Alright, and that's it. My inner corners are nice and brightened, and overall I think my makeup look just looks a lot brighter. Hopefully it picked up on camera. In person there's definitely a big difference of how like bright my inner corner looks. It doesn't look so dark and closed off, and I don't look quite so tired. So this is a great tip for days when you don't get a lot of sleep, or you're just feeling kind of run down and you really have that darkness on your inner corner. And that's it for this quick tip video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed these quick little tip videos, or if you enjoy like a longer tutorial. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I also upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, so please subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss my next video, and thank you so much for watching.